No vaccine has ever existed against RSV until now. Dr. Eric Topol is the director of the Scripps Research Translational Institute and says this is a really big deal.
The side effects were really minimal, and the efficacy is high, preventing RSV infections.
Developer GSK trade named the vaccine RXV, and it's approved to prevent lower respiratory tract diseases caused by RSV in adults 60 and over. RSV appears seasonally, typically starting during the fall and peaking in the winter. It's a highly contagious virus that causes infections of the lungs and breathing passages in people of all age groups.
Vaccines have done, just extraordinary miracle-like work in preventing serious illnesses.
For older adults, RSV can cause life threatening pneumonia and bronchiolitis. According to the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, RSV causes about 14,000 annual deaths in the U.S. for adults 65 and older. Topol says the research done over the last decade while developing the RSV vaccine actually enabled the COVID vaccine to happen so quickly.
Now, what we're seeing is, the same way to go after every pathogen you can think of. And so it's opening up the prevention of infectious diseases, which is a whole lot better than treating them, of course.
According to Topol,
We're
this
going
is
to
the
see a
most
lot more,
exciting
and
time in the
it's
history of vaccines.
exciting aspects of being able to use these vaccines to prevent cancer, to prevent neurodegenerative diseases, autoimmune diseases. It's really going to blossom, and this is one of those silver linings of not just the pandemic, but the work that preceded it to get to this point.
GSK says the vaccine will be available ahead of the 2023-2024 RSV season. The CDC will weigh in on the RSV vaccine's appropriate use in June. Melissa Mae, KPBS News.